On our Croatian road trip, we are having a great time. We rented our car, had a great experience with Avancar in Zagreb, and we are making our way to Plitvice National Park. So, along the way, we saw these signs for a truffle shop, and they had big signs for restrooms. We've been on the road for about an hour, so always a good stop for a bathroom for this guy. So we ended up stopping. The shop is so beautiful. The employees are the nicest. They have incredibly clean bathrooms, and I totally splurged. We bought 3 different little jars of truffles and a balsamic glaze, little like boba balls, and I'm really excited to eat them when we get to the coast and just sit in the sun and enjoy our truffles. So there is a lot of truffle hunting going on in Croatia. This is a super great stop. Definitely recommend on your trip. And now we will head on to our next town. Our first stop of today, only about, what are we, an hour outside of Zagreb?
Almost 2.
Almost 2 hours outside of Zagreb is Rastoke. And it's, oh my goodness, listen, less talky, more show you. This whole village is built on these waterfalls. So we've parked the car. We're gonna get out and figure out the information of what it takes to get into the village from this parking spot and to go walk around. It is incredible. After our initial stop further up here so that we could see that view of the falls, we are going to move the car because it's a text to pay for parking. We don't have that ability, so we're going to sneak down into this dirt parking lot here, and then you have this beautiful entrance to this town, and we're looking forward to finding some lunch here. Just absolutely looks like it fell straight out of a storybook. It is so beautiful. Look at that. There are these little love poems written all along the bridge. They're in Croatian, but we actually downloaded the Croatian to English Google Translate, so you take a picture and it reads them to you, and they're quite beautiful. Little love story and poems. Right across the bridge, there are places to stay. There's a tourist agency. There are places to eat. A lot of them already have signs out front that say they are cash only. So come prepared with that. You see the water and you can hear it from everywhere. This place does not feel real. Yeah, we could have come and parked here. So if you don't want to park in the dirt lot, or if it's full, there is limited parking right along the way here.
You go to Bistro Palm.
One slice is as big as my hand.
It is pretty jumbo.
I can't wait to dig in.
It looks good, huh? I could smell wood burning, so I think it might be oven fired, but this restaurant is built right up against the cliffside. You can see the rocks next to it. It's so cool. And motif is awesome.
Croatia has some of the best swimming water in all of Europe. So just past Rastoke, where we showed you that little dirt parking lot, is a place where you can come and swim. It's free. There's a lot of locals there, and we had an absolutely great time. Highly recommend it.
This stop is a great example of why we love to DIY travel as a family, and especially as we rent our own cars as we go. So this was not originally planned on our stops from Zagreb to Plitvice National Park. We were just headed to our Airbnb, and we saw enough signs that we decided we'd better pull off. We ended up making 2 full days worth of fun here. I wish we had paid to go into the restricted part of the village, which we didn't, but I would highly recommend based on reading about it afterward. And definitely take a slow day to go swim and act like a local while you're there. You won't regret it.